Okay, recording again. So mine's not shiny anymore. So when it's more of the matte, and I feel there's slightly a coolness to it, but it's dry enough that I can paint on top of it. So I'm going to look at this cloud formation that's down below, and there's a lot of purple and blue in it. And I know watercolors are transparent, so I know what I put on here is going to show through some. So I'm hoping that I can paint on top of this orange and get somewhat of a feel like that, because otherwise I would have had to paint around it and come back. But when I'm painting in journals, I just want to do it as quick as I possibly can. So I'm just going to load up my brush in some blue.
And you just strictly look to see if it wasn't shiny.
Well, yeah, I don't want it shiny. And a lot of this cloud has more of a hard edge to it. So let's just see if it works. We'll go here. So I'm going to start here. Ooh, Riley, you're shaking the chair. Okay, that's more blue. I might want more purple. Come on, get down. Cat issues. All right, so I'm going to go with purple this time. And it looks really dark, which I'm not sure if I'm going to like. But when I come out to the less dark clouds, and I might end up just going back and making some of the other clouds darker.
That was your blue and orange together?
It's actually purple and orange. I tried the blue and I didn't like it. But again, it might be where, oops, I don't paint it exactly, well, I'm not going to paint it exactly what it looks like, because your watercolor is transparent and it's going to pick up. Ooh, wrong. Okay, just wipe that out. Well, that's not a bad thing. I'm going to come back with some more of the purple, because I lifted up some of that orange. And I'm going to create some of the shadowy effect up here just by dragging some of that purple. If I have some purple down here, maybe it'll make more sense if I have some more purple somewhere else in my sky. So I'm going to create a little bit, tiny bit, I'm not touching much, and some streaks in through here. It kind of looks messy. So I'm going to put some more purple over here. And I might not mind that, because guess where I'm going to put my tree?
Over that blob.
The part I don't like.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I'm going to add a little more orange up under here, make that a little brighter, right up underneath the bottom edge of the cloud. See, it's almost really bright orange. I'm barely touching the paper with the tip, but I think that'll help that read a little better. Whoa, that was a little too much. Anyway, play with it a little bit, create a cloud. If you don't like it, dab it out and make it a different color. I like kind of a shadowy look, and we'll see what happens when we add the land and the tree. And do a few more streaks up here. Some of the streaks are also in orange. And you do that when your paper's dry. Don't do it when it's wet.
Did you wet the bottom where you're doing your whatever it is?
The bright orange?
Tree line or?
Mm-mm.
Okay. that's still dry?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm just putting some of these speckles, see like this little bits of purple up in here. I don't know if you can see it on, you know, from the screen. So just exaggerate that purple a little bit. I'm just carrying some other up in the clouds, just repeating a color. It's good to repeat something somewhere else. I leave it alone, I'm gonna mess it up. I probably already messed it up, but that's okay.
I'm making a hot mess.
It's okay, we'll help. I'll come around. You should, well, the other class, this is what I did. I came around. I'm gonna stop this for a second.